Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Let's start. Colors name: dark green color, purple color, grey color, light green color, orange color, black color, pink color and neon color. Let's start. 1. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. Red color. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 10. Number 10. 11. Number 11. 12. Number 12. 13. Number 13. 14. Number 14. 15. Number 15. 16. Number 16. 17. Number 17. 18. Number 18. 19. Number 19. 20. Number 20. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about blue color, red color, yellow color and light green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.